Hi, I'm Quentin Pollard with Southern Electronics, here to show you how to remove an instrument cluster from a 2008 Chevy Impala. If you wanted to know more about Southern Electronics, please visit us on the web at speedometerrepair.com or give us a call at 1-800-446-2880. The first place you want to start is removing this side panel right here. You do not want to try to pry it against the wood grain or you will mess it up. So what I do is I go down here to the bottom and pop it out. Pull right on out of there. Make sure you grab it with your hand. You don't want it to fall on the ground. The next thing you should do is go ahead and remove the 7mm screw. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or you can use a 7mm socket. Go ahead and remove it. Boom. So you won't have to come back to the side at all. Alright, the next thing you want to do is the exact same thing but on the opposite side. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. The same exact thing. Just go ahead, take your pry bar and remove it. And again, stay away from this wood grain area. So you can go from the top on the driver's side, which works a lot better. Remove that, and this one also has the 1 7mm screw. So you go ahead and remove that also. Alright, the next thing you want to do is there are 2 screws, and they're both 7mm again, that you want to remove from the instrument panel cover. You actually at the end remove it with your fingers if you want. Best place to put them in the cup holder. Alright, the next thing you want to do is remove the passenger side panel. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And again, you can use the pry bar to do that. It's fairly easy. But this time you have to go against the wood grain, so be very delicate. You'll actually hear everything just pop right on out. Alright, the next thing you want to do is pop the bottom of the instrument cluster panel off. And that will help you get this thing out. Pop right on out. Next thing you want to do is get under here and see if you can get this with your fingernails or something. Maybe a small flathead will help you out. Just get that and pull it on out. This whole panel comes off. First thing you want to do before you try ripping this panel off is unplug this plug back here. You can actually reach from behind it once you get it loose and just push it with your fingers and pull. There you go. And that is unplugged. Now when you're bringing this piece over the steering wheel, make sure you push down on the hazard button so you won't scratch up or bend up anything. And there goes the panel cover. Next thing you want to do is remove the 4 7mm screws from around the cluster, and you can get those out in a matter of seconds. Now this is the tricky part about getting this cluster past the steering wheel column. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to tilt the bottom of it up and pull it forward. Everything should come right on out of there. Now there's a plug behind it. All you gotta do is pull down on this and pull it on out. I'll plug it back in and show you. Pull down on this tab, pull it right on out. And that's how you remove the 08 Chevy Impala cluster.